Good morning. This is our take on a bee vacuum. Compact, as you can see, not complicated at all. Okay, you got your divider, okay, for your bee chamber. You can set it as you want. You've got a Genesis, old Genesis vacuum, top, multi-speed from low to high, depending on how much suction you want. And then we've got the whole top. We've got quick release clips. As you can see, we can just unclip it, without any problems. I actually built this now for a friend of mine, Johan Stoffberg. He's a beekeeper. So he approached me and said, isn't there something we can do? And I said, well, I'll try. Let's see how it goes. In any case, within a week, I came up with this. Now the dimensions is exactly according to the hive boxes. This is a hive box. All right, as you can see, dimensions is exactly according to specs of a hive box. (51) and 43, 41.5 or 41.7 as they want to say, and then 510. Okay, and the box that we've made now for the bees, dimensions are exactly the same as the specs of 100 years already in beekeeping, as you can see there. Now the quick release helps with the taking this off, putting it one side, and then as you can see the chamber, okay, with your netting, your bees are kept there. Now when you've caught your bees, you just place your box, take the top off, take your box, put it on top, which fits perfectly, as you can see. Okay, and then you can release your bees from the bottom into the beehive. Okay, and then once you're done, you can close it, you can clean it, compact. And what is very nice now, when the bees are in transportation, you don't want them to overheat. That's why we got these clips. They still got netting in as well, as you can see. So, but now the bees don't generate too much heat inside it. Then we just made some fittings, okay, for the bottom box. We've got a cap, as you can see here. It can just turn out, and then our piping can just fit in automatically. As you can see, there's the piping. I've got a reducer from 50 to 40 reducer, which just clips in, just actually sits in. As it sucks the air, this becomes stable and it sucks it in. Depending on how far your hive is that you want to draw out, you've got all the extensions. These are extensions are from a swimming pool, 1.2 meters long. So depending on where your hive is going to sit, and you have to get them out, you can extend your vacuum pipe. So that's basically how the box looks. Now let's just put it, them all together. We can close all the holes for the vacuum. Easy clip. Onto it. Now the box is secure. Now this wing nut goes in afterwards. Now I've got some power supply, because naturally we're going to need some power supply to utilize the vacuum. We can connect it, set it aside. Now we've got it on the lowest suction power that there is at the moment, and let's see if this guy can suck. We'll switch it on. As you can see, it's working, and this is lowest suction power, and you can see it's holding onto my hand. And as you want more suction power, you can increase the flow, and you can see. And if you look carefully onto the lid here, you'll see how it actually sucks the wood in. Now if you want to regulate, you can go smaller, and if you still want to regulate even more, you just open one of the chambers so air can go in. So you don't hurt the bees when they go into the box. And as you can see, there's still enough suction on it, and that's on low heat, low speed. So we can close it, and then we can extend it. Now what is nice, once the bees are caught, we've got the motor still running, we can pull out the pipe and put in the wing nut, which automatically sucks, and no bees can escape. Now once that is done, I want to show you the suction power of this little Genesis motor. We just close up here. Now we can unclip it, and this is what suction power is all about. I can lift this whole case. That's where it's been sealed. And I think Johan is smiling on the other side of the phone, because this is now his, to go and chase and in sucking up all the bees that are problems to the people. And the dimensions exactly the same. Let me just rather put off the noise. Dimensions is exactly the same as what the beehives are standard. And what is nice, it's compact. Once you clipped it on, you don't need a lot of people helping you to move it around. You can carry this by yourself. Not for a light person, but somebody that's this has got some power. Okay, but it's compact, so wherever you go, the box picks up just with the handle there. It's bolted, so it won't go anywhere, and we can take it wherever we want to go. Put it in your car, go and do the job, and come back. Wherever you got your hives, we unclip. The box, take the lid off, take the hive box that you want to put your bees back in, place it on top, and then we release the bees, slowly. As I said in the beginning, the bees will come from the bottom and back into the hive. And once they settled, and your chambers are clear, bees aren't damaged or die because there's enough volume, and I reckon this is enough to catch about 100,000 bees in one time. I hope you enjoy it. This is our first one, so excuse us, but we'll carry on. And my name is Dennis Robertson, and thanks for watching.